Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to show you how to install and select an external sensor on your MAGIO Circulator for use in controlling the temperature in your external reaction vessel. First, you would need an external Pt100 sensor with a LEMO connector. You insert the LEMO connector into the external Pt100 connection. Go into the Settings menu, determine thermodynamics, adjust controller. You'll see the control says internal. We can select external, it'll highlight it. Now it says external there. If we go back to the home screen, you will now see external showing up in the main display, which indicates that the external sensor is now your control point. So whatever to switch back to is simple as going back into determine thermodynamics, selecting internal control, go back to the main screen. Now it says internal in your main display. And that is how to install and select your external sensor control on your MAGIO MS or MX.